Hey everyone, welcome back to Uncle Harvey's Honey. I just got to this potential new apiary. I am going to clear some brush here, and I have all the T-posts, and we're going to see what we can do. Got the gate open, got the bee truck, and we're going to head down there. I'm going to make a series of this so you can follow along just to see all the steps and everything you need to do to set up a remote apiary. But here we are, pretty excited. A little cold out today, but the wind's down and we're going to get her done. We'll see how much we get done today, but all right, let's head on down in. All right, well, I got some of it cleaned up here. I had my chain slip off, so a little bit of in the field repair, but it's back and working. I still have a pretty big brush pile up here. Got all this out. There's this dead tree here. I'm afraid if I don't take it down that I'll end up regretting that. It'll be on the fence or on the bees. So I'm gonna see if I can get this down and finish this up, and then put the final touches on it and start putting the T-posts in. So let's get back after it. Well, if anyone's ever fixed a chainsaw that's blazing hot, that's sure a fun experience. I fixed it once, it didn't hold, so we're gonna see about the second time. Let's see if we can do it this time. Let's see if we can get this thing down brute force. I don't think that I have ever cut a tree down like that before. It was all tangled up in that live tree there, and it wouldn't fall. I was hitting the back of it with some wedges, and I cannot believe I just pulled a tree down with paracord. Oh man, success. Well, let's get back to, we'll get this thing bucked up, I guess, and how about that? I've never seen anything like that before. Well, I'm gonna go get my wedges. I might have cut into them a little bit with the chainsaw, but that's all right. They're plastic. Get some new ones. Oh, I can't believe that just happened. Anyways, let's keep at it. Well, I think I'm just gonna place the T-posts here and kind of get an idea, you know, where they're going to be placed. The chainsaw, it won't rev up, so I don't know if I put some bad gas in there or if there's something else wrong, but I can't finish bucking up this tree, so I'm at least gonna get a general layout, and we'll see how that goes. But we'll have to come back another day. I gotta deal with that chainsaw. You know, get it home, get it on the workbench. Be a lot easier to deal with than here. Maybe put some fresh gas in it. I don't know if the gas is old, but either way, I gotta move on. Chainsaw's not working, so we're gonna do something else. And we'll just start kind of getting the general layout and see how that goes. And I think I'm just gonna say stay tuned, and we'll come back another day and finish this. I was hoping to get at least 50 to 75% done, maybe get the wiring done, but it ain't gonna happen today. So moving on.